In this video, I will show you how to fix audio and video playback issues in a Google Drive Android app. First of all, clear the Google Drive cache. Open your Android settings, go to Apps, App Management or Manage Apps, depends on your phone model. Then find Google Drive from the list. Tap on it, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Then choose Clear Cache. If the video was recently uploaded, it may still be processing on Google's servers. This usually happens with large 1080p or 4K videos. Wait a few minutes and try playing the file again. If the file still won't play, it could be corrupted or unsupported. Tap the three dots next to the file and select Download. Then try opening the downloaded file using VLC for Android or the Google Photos app. You should also check your internet connection. Turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off and reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Make sure your phone isn't switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data at the same time, because that can interrupt streaming. Finally, update or reinstall the Google Drive app. Open your Google Play Store, search for Google Drive, and tap Update if available. If not, uninstall and reinstall the app. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.